video for you guys because we out this early to work. This what's up. I got a top water lure Yazori on here this morning. The divers came already and cleared up here. It looks like the water is very low tide. I've never seen it this low in a long time. They be active. Let's get a top water out here and see what's up. See what we can pick up this morning. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Appreciate you guys. Using the top water Yazori this morning, guys. Walk the dog with it. Want what? Want Ralph? Oh. Don't want to fall off this rock now, guys. Yazori top water lures. Nothing there, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Cast out in the shallows here. Top water lure and see what's up. See what kind of action we could probably get. No top water action with that. Somebody caught a tarpon or something big right here. I guess he was scaling it. I don't know. Let's go, guys. We're just trying a thing this morning. See if we can pick up a quick video for you guys. Hope you guys like that last live I did when I was fishing and I hooked up on that monster that got away from me, guys. Trust me, I'm still feeling that till today. So, targeted species this morning. I'm not using a wire lead this morning, guys. I'm actually using my mono lead. Running a top water lure. Current's kind of low. So, yeah, bamboo raft. You don't want to step on that. You're going to definitely slide and bust your shit. This is my first time down here since a hurricane, and some of the rocks that I normally stepped on is gone. Very low tide, guys. Ooh, I'm getting chased by something already. Oh shit. Huh? Walking the dog with that top water lure. I'm getting chased. Getting chased by longjaw. Top water lure, guys. There's a reef out here. I'm trying to zigzag across to see if we might grab some action on this top water here, guys. Nothing on the top water yet. I'll change off once I get over here to deeper water. Rasta is here casting out his spoon lure, but he don't like to pay attention sometimes, but it is what it is. High vis top water, guys. Wait, let's see what's up. See if we can pick something up like this, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. Let me give you guys more exciting lure fishing here in Jamaica after Hurricane Melissa, guys. We're still recouping. Still trying to get our balls and bearings back together. And as you guys see, the water is starting to come back to normal a bit. But I'm still out here, guys. Trying not to get wet. Got a whole bunch of fish life in this little pool right here. just waiting for this top water lure to get smashed. I can run a shallow diver, but I choose not to in this location because it's filled with reefs. And you definitely don't want to get hitched. Dropped out there to that reef. Change off to a higher. The sun's coming up now. I can take this off. Change to something else. It's low tide, you got to be careful. Nope, this won't belong in here. Just don't dive too deep. Yo, I'm seeing houses in the hill that I couldn't see before. Rasta, watch your reef, okay? If you get stuck, you know what's gonna happen to you. Yeah. Learn from losing so many lures. Try not to get wet here, guys. And get this out against the sun in there. Woo! Damn it, boy. Ugh. Damn long jaw hit my line a while ago. I hate when they do that shit because they don't hold the line. They just grab it and let it go. Long jaws, bro. Yeah, this is swimming really good. Nothing, guys. Divers came through here already, I guess. Nothing. I'm gonna try on this side, even though the sun is better on this side. But I'm gonna give it a shot here. It's actually a lucky jack spot here, guys. So, but what happened is the tide's low, so you have to be extremely careful. Oh boy. Nothing? Not even a bite? Not even a chase? I got hit twice already. Oh shit, I just stepped in a whole shitload of water. Don't want that. Can't believe that this lure is not picking anything up though. Yet. It's not hit and miss. If the fish is here, bro, they're not missing this lure. I'm telling you that. Yeah, that's their thing. They grab and let go. They don't hit and miss. They hit, but they just grab and let go. They suck with that shit, but nothing here, bro. Come on, let's get out of here. We tried. It's not working out. The sun is up. I cast out about 10 times already, or more. Fish is just not here today. All right, let's go. Nothing. Fish on? Oh shoot, Rasta got a lizard fish, guys, look. Hold on, let me get this line up, come over there. Oh, I almost got one too. I got hit a while ago. Damn, Rasta got a fish on. Rasta got his first lizard fish? This is your first lizard fish?
Yeah, good.
On a spoon lure?
On a spoon lure.
All right, that is it.
Yeah.
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 There, guys, so Rasta got a lizard fish now.
Yeah, man.
Didn't catch the action, but we got the fish.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna continue casting out over here while Rasta secure his fish and him get one to them, and almost got hit by a group or a snapper or something a while ago when I was coming in. Woo. I just seen a snapper or something chased it right here twice, and just now as I was coming in, there was a chase on it. Bam! Right there by the reef. Rasta, take off in fish. If you see a lizard fish grabbing, then you know that the lure is active. On a spoon lure at that. Here, guys, so we trying. Nothing try, nothing done, guys. Rasta done scored one. See if we can pick up another one. Trying not to get wet here. Barra? Where? Barra? Yeah. Oh! No! You didn't set the hook! You didn't set the hook! You did not set your hook! You sat there and expect the fish to set the hook for you, bro. You're saying fish on, but this was a jig the thing and set the hook, brother. Are you make the fish get well, no? Are you make the fish get well, look while, no? I know pity him pit out it because he not set the hook in our fish mouth and the fish out. Do what? You not set your hook, bro. And the action that you have your rod is wrong. First of all, your rod not supposed to be straight in front of you, so. You're supposed to have the rod like so. So when you go and set the hook set in our fish mouth, brother. A small barra that still, so. Yep. No shyness, bro. I get no pickups here, guys. Sending out nothing. Come on. Alright. Guess we'll get ourselves together and get out of here now. Yo, come in now. Roll out. Where I go done, so. Just got to the office, guys. And we're going to try this water out this morning and see if we can pick something up. Let's see what we get out here. Water is calm as hell back here, so Barra love this kind of glassy water. They love this glass. If they see this lure coming past, they're going to smash it. Any Barra sees this lure right now is going to smash it. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Got you. Woo! Barra. Fish on, guys. Got him. Hey. Barra. Got you. Fella. What you saying? What you saying? What you saying? What you saying? What you saying, Rasta? What you saying this morning? Aya. Benji. Fish on, Benji. You see him, Benji? I think he got away, Benji. He got hooked. Eh? Yeah, man. Creek. I'm very creek. Benji, you want it?
Yeah.
You can have it, Benji. Yeah, man. Come on, behave yourself. Come on, let me grab this hook so I can get it out of your mouth. Oh, shit.
Mrs. I just fling you out and he pick you up.
Mm-hmm. Calm down. You hook him good, you know? Hook him good, you fat. Right, you in jaw. Open up, let me take out the hook out of your mouth, idiot.
I just fling you out and see your jaw.
Watching teeth, you know, Benji. Yeah. Watching teeth. Yeah, man. Over there, sir, hold him look while from over there, sir. But one more over there, sir, someplace. I'll cast over there, sir, and I'll look a bit. Yeah, shore fishing. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys, as we give you more exciting footage of lure fishing. I knew I was going to strike this morning. I didn't give up. The barra hunter is back, guys. Back at it again. Whoop whoop. All right, let's go. That's it. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Just remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And share it out.